welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and today we'll be whipping up a holiday treat that's often underappreciated. So get ready for a vegan holiday fruitcake. Let's dive in. Get a large bowl and add in flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Now that those essential bits are out of the way, add in some allspice. Now grab a medium-sized saucepan and start melting some vegan butter. Once that's melted, add in some applesauce, sugar, orange juice, and water. To top it all off, add some candied fruit to the mix and awkwardly stir that concoction until it begins to boil. Take it off the heat and let it cool for a couple of minutes before adding it to our bowl. Mix everything together until thoroughly combined before adding the batter to a lightly greased bread pan. Put that into a 350-degree oven for 40 minutes. Give it the old poke test to make sure the middle is cooked. This is looking great, so let's plate this dish. Nothing like a loaf of this to get you in the holiday spirit. Now we didn't use much of it, but that allspice really shines in this to give you that classic holiday flavor, and those candied fruit give you all the colors on the Christmas tree. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite holiday treats in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Get off the knife. Here we go.